Hello. When we are going to create test, we will have first of all two questions. What is a test and what kind of test should I create? Well, a test is simply a check that we perform over a component or group of components under certain conditions. There are multiple test types like front-end, back-end tests, functional, non-functional. We can apply white box or black box. It can be manual, it can be automated. All of them will share a common way of thinking, which is for all of them we will basically think about creating happy path tests and negative scenarios. Let's explain a bit every of these types. Frontend and backend is basically the test that we apply or that we create for the UI and for the backend, which is basically the application that is connected with the UI and it is maybe connected with a database. Functional and non-functional. As we were seeing with the requirements, functional is basically checking the behavior of the application, and non-functional would check how the application behaves from the user perspective, which is at the end how is the user experience when it's interacting with the application. White and black box testing refers to at what level are we testing? At code level, so we are checking methods inside of the code, or are we doing black box testing, which is inserting an input and getting an output, and we are basically basing our test on those input and output instead of checking what is inside. Manual and automated. As we were talking previously, we can create manual scenarios, manual tests, or automated tests, depending on the time that we have and if it is worth or not. And then happy path and negative scenarios is basically what are we testing, and it's